Of course I want to go down it. Should I just wait and see if you fall first before I go down it? This is how serial killers get their victims. They just find them wandering off the trail out in the woods in the middle of nowhere next to interstates. I'm just saying, your foot's bent at an awkward angle. Yeah, what's up? I can't even capture this on footage. All right. Holy crap. Ooh. Yeah, expert. I'm gonna fall down the hill. It's the reality. Okay, so this is like perpendicular and you just keep going up, 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 up. There's some sort of wash off. You were way up there. Oh god. And then somewhere down there there's a family, which I'm convinced got trapped down here in the gully and they just can't make their way out. This is real hiking. Now you need to get a stick for how narrow the trail is. This part of the park, there's no way somebody personal did all this work. Somewhere at the top, we all thought this was private property up here. It's hard to tell. Joe's gonna go see if the sign up there just says don't trespass, what that sign further up says. And this craziness is just where we hiked out of for just a second to get back on the trail to go hike further. Beautiful day, sun's shining. Oh, gorgeous. Couldn't ask for better weather. It's gorgeous out here.